Hey everyone, we are here again with the new success story of Canada of Gaganpreet Kaur. She received her visa today only, so congratulations Gagan for your Canada visa. So Gagan, what's your qualification and how was your journey with Western Overseas?
Thank you. First of all, I am Gaganpreet Kaur and I belong to Ambala city. I did my bachelor's with non-medical and then I went for my master's in forensic science. Then I was so worried about further studies as I want to study abroad. Later on, I visited so many branches for taking counselings, but no one satisfied me properly and no one guided me. So later on, I visited Western Overseas. There I found Priya ma'am, my consultant and counselor as well. She advised me very genuinely and I just started trusting over her. So because of that trust, I enrolled myself in advanced project management and leadership strategies, and then I got my offer letter, and later on I received my AIP, and here is my visa as you can see.
So yeah, Gagan, if you talk about your profile, you did MSc Forensic Science and now you are going for the Advanced Project Management and Strategic Leadership course. So is it the right course?
Firstly, I did not believe it's right for me as I was not expecting my visa to come. But when I met Western Overseas, when I came here, I started believing in that. Like as you can see, I received my visa. So I think anyone with forensic background can now get his or her visa.
So during your process, how was your journey with Western Overseas? Do you face any kind of hurdle during the process because COVID has already come? So how was your journey?
I don't think I really faced any challenges here as whenever I felt comfortable, I just called Priya ma'am and she advised me at every moment and she guided me well, and therefore I think I received my visa on time as everything in the process was so simple for me, so convenient for me, and she was really very polite, I guess.
Yeah, Gagan, in which intake you are going?
I'm going for September intake. I received my AIP and then I started my online study, and later on, actually when my appointment came for the biometrics, I missed it, but I rescheduled it and now I am traveling to Canada.
So you already completed your 2 semesters in India only. Yeah. So how was your experience with online classes?
It is really very convenient as you can stay at home, be easy and calm, and you can study well. Like professors there are so polite, they guide so well that anyone can do online study.
Okay, so in the last, Gagan, what you want to recommend?
I would say I will definitely recommend Western Overseas for filing their visa process.
Guys, आज आपने गगन की story हमारे साथ सुनी. She did her graduation after that masters in forensic science in 2019 and she did IELTS and scored 6.5, not less than 6 band. Now she is going for advanced project management and strategic leadership course in Lambton College. So I just want to recommend every student, if they're facing any kind of hurdle, their profiles कि उनको नहीं suitable course मिल रहा है, so do visit Western Overseas. We are providing genuine guidance to our students, so do visit. and हम लोग IELTS के लिए भी online classes देते हैं. सो अगर आपको IELTS से रिलेटेड या वीज़ा से रिलेटेड कोई भी डाउट है तो आप वेस्टर्न ओवरसीज से ज़रूर कांटेक्ट करो. एंड वी विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट लक फॉर योर फ्यूचर एंड हैव अ सेफ जर्नी गगन ऑल्सो. थैंक यू सो मच.